Today we're going to make chicken tortilla soup. You all staying safe? Good. Can you do that? One more time. Not everyone can. So, tortilla soup. More accurately, chicken tortilla soup. And at its purest form is a savory, slightly spicy, roasted tomato broth with a ton of garnishments like chicken. Got some pepper jack in this one. Cotija cheese. What else? Cilantro, and of course, fried tortilla strips. And the key is the tomato broth. So what I did was roasted off about 4 Roma tomatoes, a little oil, salt and pepper, half an onion, put a garlic clove in each of those half tomatoes, and roasted it for about 35 minutes at 350. Now you can totally use canned diced tomatoes for this. Okay, I kind of like to do it this way. It comes out better. Then what you're going to want to do is put it all in a blender or NutriBullet in my case here, and blend it up about 25 or 30 seconds until it's pretty smooth. But don't forget the chipotles in adobo sauce. I put in about 1 tablespoon. It's kind of spicy. So in a large saucepan or Dutch oven, place the blended vegetables, three cups of chicken stock, a teaspoon of cumin, bring to a simmer over high heat. Add a 7-ounce can of roasted diced green chilies. Give it a stir. Let it come to a simmer. Lower the heat. Cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Then add 1 can of black beans that you've drained and rinsed well, 1 cup of frozen corn, give it a stir. Cover and let it go for another 10 minutes or so. Now, while the soup is simmering, would you please hit the subscribe button? See how I slipped that right in there? It's time to cook the chicken. Now you can boil it, or poach it, or bake it, or do what I like to do. Season it with a little salt and some Southwest seasoning. And put it on a very hot, ribbed griddle. Now if you don't have a grill press like this, just use a pan. Place it on the chicken, very high heat, and let it go 3 or 4 minutes. Let's check it. Another minute. So it's been about 4 minutes on this first side. We're going to flip it. Let it go another 3-4 minutes on this side. By the way, I put a little oil on the chicken, a little salt, and I used my Southwest seasoning that I make. And I'll put the ingredients for that down in the description below, as well as all the other ingredients for this. So about 3.5, 4 minutes on each side. Get the char marks going on there. It's going to add some great flavor. Put the chicken aside for a little bit. Turn off your timer. And then we're going to shred the chicken and get ready to plate.